Hey, how's it going, guys? So welcome to this month's unboxing. So for this unboxing, first shoe we got is a red box. This is a size 6.5 women's. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? This is the Jordan 1 snakeskins or satin snakeskins or whatever. There's the inside. There's the front of it. There's the other side. But if you look closely, look, it's supposed to, this is like fake snakeskin. That's why, you know, that's why they call it snakeskin and, you know, stuff like that. So there's the sole and yeah, blah, blah. This also comes with black laces already on the shoe. Comes with red laces, and it also comes with white laces. So this next package, my friend, investor, business partner, employee, whatever you want to call him, shark, Reggie, actually won this in a raffle, and this is actually a pretty good raffle to win because it's an Atmos. Atmos what? Atmos? So here it is. Oh, celebrating 30 years of the Gel Light 3, and this is. Oh, we got some little Velcro additions to the side, and this is the Sean Weatherspoons in a size 8. This is the left pair. If you look at both of the pairs, they're actually different looking. So this one's the right pair. I think this is like a better color than the left pair, but yeah, it's pretty much like you're wearing two different shoes. It's actually kind of weird, but look at this. You can take this out. And you can interchange it. Whoa, this is almost like the Travis Scott Air Forces. It is pretty much, it's pretty much like the Travis Scott Air Forces. Okay, so these next packages are actually a lot of the same. You'll see, you know, it's getting colder now. Weather's starting to look gloomy. So, you know, the hype beast's got a pair. And this box is pretty much just a essentials hoodie in oatmeal heather gray. And this one is an essentials puffer jacket, but I got two of these. There's another one in the box right there. It's the same color, and this one's actually an interesting color. This one's also essentials. It's a gray iridescent. I'm just gonna show it up. So yeah, that's what this looks like, but it doesn't look iridescent at all. I don't want to take it out because it's gonna puff up a lot. So next up we got a Nike box, and what's inside? We got the Nike Dunks. Or yeah, the Nike Dunks in the Samba colorway. Oh look, there it is. There it is with the, what is this, like purplish blue. Here's the side, the back, the inside, the front of the shoe. There's the sole, the red sole or red orange sole, and yeah. Yep, that's it. So these three boxes are a lot of the same thing. So we got a white essentials hoodie in a medium. We got another white essentials hoodie in a medium. We got another white essentials hoodie in a medium. And lastly, in this box, we got another white essentials hoodie in a medium. So yeah, this box is pretty much just all essentials. And this box, it's actually different. We got a Drew House hoodie in a white. If you don't know what Drew House is, this is basically Justin Bieber's brand that he owns. I don't want to take it out of the packaging, but I'm just going to show pictures right now. So yeah, there's this one. This is a Drew House hoodie in a navy colorway. It looks black, but it's actually navy. And we got another white Drew House hoodie in a small. Another white Drew House hoodie in a small. We got another Drew House hoodie in a medium. We got another, well, oh wait, no, this is different. We got a yellow, golden yellow. This is a deconstructed hoodie in a medium. This is what it looks like. We got another yellow Drew House hoodie in a medium. Another Drew House hoodie in a small. We got another Drew House hoodie in a medium. Another orange Drew House or yellow Drew House hoodie in a small. Another Drew House hoodie in a medium. We got another Drew House hoodie in a medium. Okay, so this box now. We got another Drew House hoodie yellow in a small. We got a navy Drew House hoodie in a small. And another Drew House navy hoodie in a small. And another Drew House hoodie small navy. And lastly, we got a navy Drew House hoodie in a size medium. Look at all that Drew House. We got like a whole, I don't know, full size run. Not even full size. It's mainly small and medium. Okay, so next up we got a Yeezy 350 in a size 8.5, and this one is, oh, what the heck? Whoa! Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Wait, why do we have this little baggie in here? This is new. I've never seen this in Yeezys before. So we got, oh, laces. Okay, so we got little like tanned laces or a sand or whatever color you want to call them. And this is the Yeezy is raffle. Wait, what the heck? Whoa! No, wait, look! No way, look! So, oh my, oh, that's why. So the raffles features the laceless system. So all you have to do for these laces to tighten them is you just pull it, and that's it. Well, I thought this was in a later pair, but apparently it's in this pair. So yeah, there it is. There's your raffle. You got the side, you got the back. No back tab on this. There's the front of it. There's the inside, and there's the sole of it. But this is interesting. Very interesting concept for the laceless, or I mean, knotless shoelaces. So for these ones, I'll show you how I got it right now. So the release was at 6 a.m. and I decided to pull an all-nighter. So I just sat in my chair, waiting until it was time. So I ended up getting 2 checkouts before I started recording, and we managed to get another one. I was, messing around trying to show you guys what the bot was actually doing, and these next few seconds are beautiful. I ended up using another bot, but this bot wasn't really working for whatever reason. When I was trying to fix the problem, guess what? We got another checkout. And after a while, we got decline after decline. But then, we got another checkout. Pretty much the rest of this is me adjusting for the in-stock sizes, and it's pretty much the same thing. Decline, 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 and then some more checkouts. This is from Kith this time. It's a huge box, and it's a Yeezy 500. This is from a restock that they had, and I was quick with it. I was quick checking it out, and this is the Yeezy 500 in the bone white colorway. So this is Kanye West coming back, or continuing with the dad shoe model. So yeah, there it is. This is a humongous shoe. This is a size 12. Look at it. It's like bigger than my head. This next one's pretty cool because this one is features new technology, or not really new. It features technology, and it is in a black box, but it says Adidas 4D, and the 4D. You might be wondering what's that, and I'll show you. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0 upper, and this is features the 4D sole. Look at that. So instead, here I'll show you what they have before. Here's an Adidas Ultra Boost, and it features the boost as a sole. But in here, it features this 4D. Okay, it's called 4D because they printed the sole. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this was actually the first Ultra Boost that they released. The same colorway with the purple, whatever this thing is, and then the black upper, and this is the same prime knit pattern as the first one. So yeah, so they decided to make an ode to that first one, and yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. And these are not going for anything at all, and if I were to sell it right now, I'd be losing money. So this is gonna be a hold for a couple months and before I make anything. So here's how much I would make if I were to sell everything at this point.